Welcome back, children. Welcome to Refresh Concepts with me, Dinesh Modi. Let's see one of the hots which is there from this particular chapter, right? What is this I'm trying to say? In an equilateral triangle ABC, so given to us a triangle is an equilateral triangle, the side BC is trisected at D. Now what is trisected at D? When they use the word trisected at D, means BD is 1/3 BC. BD is 1/3 BC. That's what the meaning of trisected at D is. Prove that AD square is 7AB square. Prove that AD square is 7AB square. 9 times AD square, I'm so sorry. 9 times AD square is 7AB square. We have to go for construction over here. So what is a construction? Construction is draw. Let me first draw out there. Draw AM perpendicular to BC. Draw AM perpendicular to BC. Draw AM perpendicular to BC. Right? So once again we see the question. The question says triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. D is trisected, or rather side BC is trisected at D. Meaning is what I told you. What is the meaning of trisection? BD is 1/3 BC. What construction we have taken is we have gone for AM perpendicular to BC. Before I start, I want my children to know this much. What is it? In an equilateral triangle, all the three sides are equal. Sir, we all are aware. In an equilateral triangle, the altitude, median, angle bisector, perpendicular bisector, all are the same. I repeat, in an equilateral triangle only in the case of equilateral triangle, the altitude, the angle bisector, perpendicular bisector, median are the same. Why am I emphasizing and why am I saying this? Because we have said AM perpendicular to BC. So it's an altitude. My altitude and my median is the same. My altitude and my median is the same. So can I say now something that BM is equals to MC? Why? Because AM is no longer a altitude. It acts as a median. So M is the midpoint of BC. M is a midpoint of BC. I want this to be remembered. For an equilateral triangle, angle bisector, perpendicular bisector, median and altitude are the same. What next? Let me look at my two proof and then let me first initialize the couple of steps what we have to write down, and then I'll make you understand what exactly we are trying to do. Our proof starts now. It's an equilateral triangle. Triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. That's what is given to us. Since it's an equilateral triangle, do I have every right to say, therefore, AB is equals to BC is equals to AC? Equation number 1. Sides of equilateral triangle. Sides of equilateral triangle. Any doubt? AB is equals to BC is equals to AC. Now what? Now I'm going to ask question to the question itself. That means to prove, and to prove have to answer. It has to answer what it says. 9AD square. So I'm just going to look at my figure. Where is AD? Okay, fine. Here is 7AB square. Okay, here. Fine. That means this is the relation I want. What I'll try to do, so I'll try to get AM in terms of AB. Sir, why you are looking for AM in terms of AB? The moment I get AM in terms of AB, I can easily apply Pythagoras in AMD to get AD square. So who told you that? That's what my question says. If I want AD square, the answer is apply Pythagoras in AMD. The moment I apply Pythagoras in AMD, I shall get AD square. But for that, I don't want AM. That means your AM should be converted in terms of AB. At the same time, sir, you are forgetting the base DM should also be converted into AB. So we want to stick into triangle AMD. We want Pythagoras to be applied in the same triangle, but On the other hand, we also want AM should be getting converted into AB. DM also should be getting converted into AB. Why? Because on one side, if I have AD square, the other side what I have is AB square. Don't look at the coefficients. Mind you, take care of concepts. Coefficients will take care of itself. Don't look at the coefficients. By default, they have to come. You just take care about AD square, AB square. 9 and 7 has to come of its own. Mind you. So I just told myself that I want to go for Pythagoras in AMD so that I can get AD square. Immediately I have to tell myself AM should be converted into AB and even DM should be converted into AB. Right? So now our process is that. Second thing which I want my children to know. In an equilateral triangle, height of an equilateral triangle is root 3 by 2 side. Remember this. Those who are aware, very well and good. But those who are not, kindly remember. In an equilateral triangle, height of an equilateral triangle is root 3 by 2 side. That tells me here, who is the height? AM is the height. Now, AM is root 3 by 2. Who is side? It can be AB, BC or AC. But since I want everything in terms of AB, I shall say AB, equation number 2. So I shall write down the reason. In equilateral triangle, height is root 3 by 2 side. Height is root 3 by 2 side. This is what we should know. This is what we should know. With that, I have converted AM in terms of AB. I have converted AM in terms of AB. What is remaining is converting DM in terms of AB. Let's start. When I say M is a midpoint, as we have discussed earlier, M is a midpoint of BC, can I say this much? Let me bring this bit down so that we have enough space. Can I say this is midpoint? So can I say this is BM? BM is half BC. I'm talking about BM. Can I say BM is half BC? Certainly yes. BM is half BC. We have started with our sum with BC is trisected at D. At that time only I said that BD is 1/3 BC. BD is 1/3 BC. When we have half BC, when we have 1/3 BC, there exists a collinearity between B, D and M. Can't I say this is nothing but 1/6 BC? Sir, how did you get it? We'll write on that. We'll write on that. Prior to that, we have to tell the examiner everything what we have to say. Also, AM is the median. I give you the reason. In equilateral triangle, or I'll just write an equilateral as EQ, students. In equilateral triangle, the altitude and median are the same. The altitude and the median are the same. AM is the median, therefore, can we say BM is half BC? BM is half BC. Equation number 3. Also, what is it? BC is trisected at D. BC is trisected at point D. What is the meaning of that? The meaning of that is therefore BD is 1/3 BC. Let this be equation number 4. Also BC is trisected at point D. Therefore BD is 1/3 BC. What next? Now, what is BM comprised of? BM comprises of BD plus DM. B dash D dash M. Collinearity. What is BM? Sir, BM is half BC. Half BC. How about BD? Sir, BD, where we have written, have we written? Yeah, here. BD is 1/3 BC. BD is 1/3 BC plus DM. From where did I get these values? From equation 3 and equation 4. From 3 and 4. 3 and 4. From equation 3 and from equation 4. what will I get? dm is equals to, I have written orally, I rather have said orally, it's 16 BC. Let's prove it. dm is equals to, bring this fellow here, it is half BC minus 1/2 BC minus 1/3 BC. On taking LCM, 3 2s are 6, 3 BC minus 2 BC by 6, 1 BC, or you can say simply 1/6 BC. dm is 1/6 BC. That is. Sir, you said that you will convert dm in terms of AB. AB, BC, AC are equal. So can I say dm is 1/6 instead of BC? Can I say AB? From where did I get it? From 1. From 1. Yes, children. Any problem? Any problem? Right? That's what we started off our sum with. Convert AM in terms of AB. Convert DM in terms of AB. Apply Pythagoras. Why? For we to get AD square. For we to get AD square. As simple as that. Now in triangle, which triangle we are supposed to go into? In triangle AMD. Measure angle AMD is 90 degree. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, what can I say? By Pythagoras theorem, AD square is equals to AM square plus DM square. Let us take the value. AD square as it is. AD square as it is. How about AM square? AM is root 3 by 2 AB. So AM is root 3 by 2. AM is root 3 by 2 AB, the whole square. Plus DM square. DM is 1 by 6 AB. 1 by 6 AB, the whole square. From where did I get this? From where did I get this? This is what I got. I should have given this as equation number. This is 4, this is 5. So from where did I get this? From 2 and 5. So I'll just mention from 2 and 5. From 2 and 5. Just open down the brackets, square them. AD square. Root 3 square, 3. 2 square, 4. AB square. AB square. 6 square, 36. 6 square, 36. LCM. Let me write down with a different marker so that you understand it. LCM between 4 and 36 into 9 into 9. So what we are left with, AD square is equals to 27 AB square plus AB square by 36. How much is that? 28. AD square is 28 AB square by 36. 4 7 times, 4 9 times. On multiplying 9 over here, 9 AD square is 7 AB square. Hence proved. Hence proved. As I said, take care of terms, the coefficient will take care of itself. Take care of terms, the coefficient will take care of itself. So what we are supposed to understand, in order to bring AD square, we had to apply Pythagoras in AMD. But on the RHS, when we had AB square, we had to convert AM in terms of AB, DM in terms of AB. That's what we have done so, and that's what our sum is all about. The moment we have these two, it's simply Pythagoras. Right, children?